And I represent WorkX Cloud Consulting, a premium Salesforce global consulting partner. We at WorkX Cloud we build digital enterprises. Today, through this particular demo, I'm going to showcase the manufacturing processes, how the business process automation can be done through Salesforce. Let's straight go to the Salesforce demo. So once you log into Salesforce, you reach at something called the home page. In the home page, we have configured to have a lot of analytics in the terms of a dashboard. So here, if you look at my dashboard, so you have your revenue information like YTD, QTD, MTD, revenues for the organizations. You can track your leads, track your opportunities, then track your orders. Variety today's order, monthly order, weekly order, all these stuffs. You can do that. Even you can, if your sales reps are visiting your customer, or if you manage your business through a distributor, we can track your visits, the expenses, all these stuffs can be done, right? Similarly, if you, as I said, if you work your business with your distributor, so you can have a distributor dashboard as well, where you can identify top five distributors, who, how many active distributors, inactive distributors, how many orders have been placed by the distributor wise revenue, all these stuffs you can track as well. And also through this, if your customers are putting some complaints, you can track your complaints. You can analyze a lot of what the tat of the complaints, what the priority was complaints, how many complaints you are not able to resolve in 15 days, something like this. All this analytics can be done as well. Coming straight to campaigns, your organization might be driving a lot of campaigns through which they are generating leads. Here at Salesforce, you can manage your campaigns. You can create a campaign, and you can put all your details like what the budgeted cost, how many target revenue you're expecting from this particular campaign, how many contacts you are targeting to reach out to them through this particular campaign, and when the lead is generated through the campaigns, um, ultimately they are nurtured, converted, order has been placed, then you can find out the ROI of the campaigns as well. Going straight to the leads, so in your organization, you might be generating leads through different sources. This could be somebody visiting your website and interested on your products, fill the form. Here in Salesforce, we can integrate with your website, and automatically lead will be coming to here into Salesforce. Same to here, something like this. For example, you are doing a lot of trade shows, offline events, where you are maybe creating some Excel sheets where the data information about your lead is been captured. And here with the import button, here you can see the import button. With the import button, thousands of records of the leads can be added here. Similar to this, it might be they are sending emails to that, and you want through this particular email, the lead have to be captured. So for example, this email has come, so I have configured, I use email, by the way. I think this has been logged out, so let me log into Salesforce here from my Gmail itself. Now what is going to happen when the email has come from one of my particular lead, I can simply click on this particular lead, and add to lead, and automatically in Salesforce the lead will be created over here, right? So these are the steps you can do that from lead itself, right? Let me see if I am able to connect. Look at here. So I can click on add to Salesforce, and this particular lead will be created automatically to Salesforce, right? Well, so your lead has come. Um, now, oh, I logged out. So maybe your lead has come. Now you want to, let me go to the manufacturing app we have created, customize app we have created. Let me open that. Yeah. So your lead has come. Once the lead has come, what you want to do? You want to nurture this particular lead. First thing is you want to gather the information about the lead. So to do have, you have a activity uh, management over here. You can send a lead directly from Salesforce. No need to go to your inbox using Outlook, Gmail, or whatever you are using it, but you can directly send it from Salesforce itself. So maybe I'm writing thanks. without wasting time. I'm just typing whatever I want to do. I can type it over here, by the way, and send this to this particular person, or I can create some predefined templates and select and just click and click on send button, and automatically the email will go to this particular lead, right? Not only that, also you'll be getting the log has been created here, that the email has gone there. Not only that, if you look at, I was in CC, so thanks has been come to me as well, right? um, so you sure that the email has been gone to the particular customer. Also you get a small status notification, it is unopened, opened, or whatever, all this you get it. Similarly, you can log a meeting, you can log a call, and if you are using your CTI tools, so you can integrate and call can be managed here. To showcase you this, suppose I have a CTI integrated, I click on a start a call. Now whatever the conversation you do, now you hang up, if you look at, the call log has been created with this, right? Well, you nurtured this particular lead, and you convert this particular lead. When you convert, so three things happens. One is the account record is created, contact record is created, and opportunity record is created. Let me showcase you something very interesting in Salesforce. It's called contact 360 degree. So Salesforce beautifully manages a contact 360 degree, your company name, your details about the company, outstanding, pending, whatever is there, to whom you are talking to. Like these are the people, Neha is somebody from this particular customer you are, talking to. You want to reach out to them. Information about this particular, contact is over here. All the activity happened over here, right? All are here. Then what the opportunities are running, that you can track it over here. Any quotation you have shared, I'll come to technical evaluation bit later. Then what all order has been placed, what invoice has gone, what payment has been received, all the stuffs, you can have a look into the contact three account 360 degree. So in a single page you will have about everything about this particular customer, right? Okay, let me go to opportunity. Suppose you got the opportunity, have been created for this particular account, and customers say that, hey, I'm interested for this product. So simply what you can do, that you can add a product, right? Add product and select. You have a list of the products available. You can select price and quantity. You can put that. It has come here. Once it is there, what you can do, that you can simply generate a quotation over here itself. So typically people do write in the list in the Excel, then put into Word, then convert into PDF, then send it. No, here everything can be automatically picked up here, and I can create a quotation here in Salesforce itself, right? So quotation has been created. Not only that, your quotation can be sent to the customer here itself, from here itself, right? You can do that. So what you can do, that you can email a quotation to your customer as well, right? So let me open it again, right? um, Also you can create approval processes. For example, let me showcase you one quotation has been created, right? And you can send this particular quotation to your customer, create a PDF I'm doing, and you can, in a variety of the template, you can create it. For references, we have created a couple of templates, and based on the templates, you can save and email the quotation. Your customer will directly get a quotation from Salesforce itself, right? Pretty simple. Well, let me tell you a use case. Suppose the RFQ has come from the customer, or maybe they have given some design to that, hey, we are looking for this product, and this product is not available in your company. What do you want to do? You want to do NPD, new product development. Typically, what happens, the RFQ have come, maybe, with a drawing or something, then you want to pass on to your technical evaluation team. They are going to evaluate this, and put all the technical information, and with the approval from the manager, they send it to the costing department. Now the costing department will put the costing and everything. Then the MSP, the minimum sales price for the product, will be created. Once MSP has been created with approval, the sales guy is going to put their own margin and create a quotation and to the customer. Few organizations we have done this process, which earlier they used to take around 13-15 days, but with the implementation of Salesforce. Entire process has been done in 2 to 3 days only. That too with the complexities like few part of this particular product would be created, developed into one plant, and another product into the another part into the another plant, or even few part line item may be outsourced to a vendor. Everything would be in the workflow would be managed here. Let me showcase you when the RFQ has come, salespeople is passing on to the technical evaluation team. Now, what a technical evaluation team is going to do, create a part, right? So, without wasting time, what I'm doing, I have filled this information. You can have a look into that. So, all the information about the part, like part name, part number, drawing number, anything annual requirement, customer series, all the whatever the parameter, I'm not going into that. Depending on your type of business, what all parameters are there, you can fill it, you can be customized, and maybe you are creating some part line item as well. Again, the part line item, all the information, some GPM value, GPM sale, foundry cost, factory cost, this all depends really as per your business processes would be there, right? Once it is done, now what technical evaluation team is doing that, hey, I created all these stuffs. Now what they do, they create a technical layout. In the technical layout, what do? We created a PDF file. Once it is done, then what they do, they take a you know um, take a internal approval within the organization, then they submit for costing. Now comes to the costing department's role, and they do all this information field and all. Then what they do, they create a costing layout. If you look at in the costing layout, they can decide whether I had to go ahead with one or two, second or first or both, and they generate a PDF file. Now this PDF file is internally stored and monitored, and now they know that okay, this is the 250 rupees is the MSP, right? 250 rupees is the MSP. Now once the MSP is done, this goes to the sales process. Now sales guys know that okay, my MSP is 250 rupees. Now what I'll do, I'll generate a quotation. As per the organization standard, maybe I'll put a 15% margin and submit. Now look at, automatically one quotation is created. Now your quote is created. Again, you take approval from your manager, whatever the process you are, one level approval, two level approval, three level approval, whatever the process you have it, and generate the quote and send to the customer. This is one process I wanted to tell you that how it is done. Then in your manufacturing process, maybe you are managing your inventory as well, right? You are managing your inventories. Now in the inventory, which inventory, which might be you are having a lot of warehouses, right? And what are the SKUs, what are the quantities available, and who is the vendor dealing with, right? All these stuffs are also you can manage it over here. Next is, as I said, if you are managing a business through your distributor, right? Now your distributor is placing a order, right? Typically, organization, what they do over the phone call, email, and all these stuff. So what we have done, we have created a portal for your distributor. Now the distributor is going to log into this particular portal. Then you can have a dashboard for them. So distributor can find out, what all, how many order I have placed this month, this week, today, YTD, MTD, QTD, whatever, and what are the status of the order, how to create a order, how to track the order. So these are the painful for the distributors. What we have done, we have created this. So what I have done is, suppose today I'm creating I place a order, right? What I'm going to do, I'm going to place this particular order. Once I click here and I place a order, what is going to happen in the back end? The order would be created here. Now, backend your order team is there, right? So your backend order team is there. So what they do, they track this particular order, right? So maybe you can click on this order. The order has been received by your distributor. Then a different status of the order could be there. Maybe you process this particular order have been processed, right? Once you do that, so your distributor, what can be done, the your distributor can track this. So distributor can place what the status of my order. They will know that okay, what is the status of the order, this is processed, this is dispatched, or whatever has been done, you know they can track it. So no phone call, no email, no WhatsApp, nothing, they will track it online, what is the status of my order. Even if you have a, shipping partner, so shipment details should be captured in Salesforce, and the distributor can have a quick look into this, automatically, right? This is what the distributor can do that. Then your sales rep are visiting your distributor, right? So we have something called beat plan. You can create a beat plan, and maybe for December 11th to have created a beat plan. These are the distributor I'm going to visit. Once the plan has been done and approved by the manager, I can go to the this is not enabled in my laptop, so you can showcase a separate video for visit management, and we can start the visit. Then we can check in latitude, longitude could be stored. Then I can do a lot of activity over there, do a product launch, marketing plan, all these stuffs I can do that with my distributor. Not only that, when I'm traveling, I can plan my, I can track my expenses. Yeah, the local conveniences, all these stuffs can be done that. This is what the small demo I wanted to show you. Yeah, thank you very much.